Welcome to Wrightsville Beach MarineMax. My name is Brandon Woodard, and today I'm going to introduce you to the new 2020 Scout 300 LXF. This exterior hull color is midnight blue. It's also equipped with the twin 300 horsepower Mercury V8 outboards. On the transom, you'll notice the synthetic teak. Nice entryway into the boat. And a retractable aft seat to give you plenty of seating and plenty of room whenever it's folded up out of the way. You'll also notice on the gunnel, Scout does have the fender clips. Super easy to set your fenders off whenever you're anchoring or tying up with somebody. Moving forward in the cockpit, you'll notice the 4 rod holders with the twin cup holders and a full-size live well. Directly beneath, you've got your retractable Yeti cooler. Up top, we've got a full-size T-top with dual spreader lights and 4 JL premium speakers, fore and aft. You'll also notice in the T-top that we do have our rocker switches with our Garmin VHF handheld. The sleek design does have twin Garmin chart plotters, full-size stainless steel steering wheel, the Mercury vessel view, the Mercury digital throttles, and this particular 300 LXF does have the joystick piloting from Mercury. You'll also notice in the cabin, this boat is equipped with a head and a full-size bed to sleep 2 people. Moving forward in the bow, this 300 LXF has a full-size garage. You can set 2 people comfortably while the boat's underway. This vessel does have gunnel handrails all the way up and down the port and starboard side with the bolsters. This 300 LXF is equipped with the forward-facing seating that is removable. You also notice storage under both the port and starboard side on the bow. There is a full-size Lumar windlass in the front. Again, my name is Brandon Woodard. If you'd like to stop by Wrightsville Beach MarineMax and give us a call, 910-256-8100.